For close round 80, make a slip stitch into very first double crochet, and round 80 is finished. Round 19, chain 1, a single crochet into same place, top of this double crochet, a single crochet into next top of this next double crochet, we find it carefully, and a single crochet. Now a picot, 1, 2, 3 chain, and a picot, a slip stitch into two loops, a picot, a single crochet top of next, a single crochet top of next, another picot, 1, 2, 3, a picot, a single crochet top of next and next, one here, another one top of next, now a picot, now a single crochet top of next, a single crochet top of next. Now we are middle of this pattern, we make a picot and a single crochet into next, a single crochet into next, now a picot, single crochet into next, another single crochet and a picot, now a single crochet into next, another into next, and a picot, 1, 2, 3, picot, a single crochet into next, it become like this, 3 picot here, 3 here, and 1 in middle. For next paddle, we goes here, top of first double crochet, we make a single crochet, and top of next, a single crochet and a picot, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 19, after the last single crochet, if you remember, we crochet into back loop only, back loop and another loop behind of this in this round. After the last single crochet, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet. Now we want to cut the yarn and a chain for safety, pull tight. Round 19 is finished. Round 19, we have to count our picot and single crochet here, 256 single crochet and 112 picot in this round. You can finish your project here or continue and make it bigger.